Good evening, friends. Welcome to our new YouTube channel, Wealth Fusion. Sorry for the inconvenience caused due to technical issue. So we provided our today's intraday calls in our Telegram channel. So guys, there is link in the description. You can follow us in Telegram group, and in case if there is any technical issue where we cannot upload any videos for the day, we'll update there. So as per yesterday's stocks which we recommended, the first stock was Bharti Airtel. So buy range was 546 and first target was 550, and you can see that was achieved in first few minutes of the trade. Second stock which we recommended was Mahindra and Mahindra, buy at 756, and first target was 761 and second target was 766, and you can see the stock performed very well for the day, and it reached a very good high of 797. Let us see the Nifty levels for tomorrow. Current spot is 15,108 with minor resistance at 15,160 and major resistance at 15,200. In support, you can see minor support at 15,050 and major support at 15,000. Let's see Bank Nifty levels. Current spot 33,954 with minor resistance at 34,100 and major resistance at 34,240. And support, minor support at 33,780 and major support at 33,500. By analyzing Nifty and Bank Nifty levels, we found some of good performing stocks for tomorrow. First one is Avels. You can buy this stock at 1075 with the stop loss of 1069 and target 1 1081 and target 2 1087. And second stock which we recommend is Bata India. You can buy this stock at 1458 with the stop loss of 1450 and target 1466 and target 2474. And third stock which we recommend is Mahindra and Mahindra. You can buy these stocks at 802 with the stop loss 797 and target 1 807 and target 2 812. And the final stock which we recommend for tomorrow is Bharti Airtel. Buy this stock at 532, stop loss 528, target 1 536 and target 2 540. So all these stocks are expected to perform well tomorrow. So guys, we recommend all the beginners to do paper trading initially for at least 3 months, and do subscribe to this channel, and also follow us in Telegram for live Nifty and Bank Nifty calls, which we analyze it and give on daily basis. Thank you. Have a great day.